go ahead. What's going on here, Mr. Strauss?
Yes, Your Honor. Essentially, the
Listen,
parties...
let me say something. Hang on. I'm not going to be put on camera. I'm just not going to do it. Put that away.
Your Honor, you just told me I could.
No, I know.
And then in the past, I've done it before.
I just can't.
Okay, I'll put it right down the phone like that. Is that fine?
Great.
Okay, I just need it on the record. That's all.
That would be great. That would be great.
That's all.
All right, go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Your Honor, the parties entered into a stipulation before my representation.
Right.
And the court entered an order thereon, and the stipulation provided that this gentleman would be, and he did sign the stipulation voluntarily. The court entered the order, and the stipulation was February 23rd, 2015. Paragraph 2 of the stipulation provided the defendant will pay $800 a month for utilities for the months of April, May, and June 2015, on or before the 5th day. He failed to comply with that. We have testimony to support this.
Not true, Your Honor.
It's okay. Go ahead. Go.
The defendant did not provide the April payment as well. The plaintiff filed a motion for non-payment, a motion for default that was entered by the court. And then on April 12th, the plaintiff, through her daughter and niece, went to inspect the property, found out there were 2 renters on the property, and one was paying essentially $900 a month for 3 months after the order. The other one was paying $650 a month, and we have testimony to support that. And the order specifically says that he shall not rent the property either. So the total damages we'd be seeking here today would be $900 times 27 times 3 is $2,700.
$900 times what? I'm sorry.
3 months.
Okay.
Would be $2,700.
Okay.
$650 times 3 months would be $1,950.
Okay, where are you getting those numbers from? I know that. Okay. First of all, is this a
Can I speak yet?
No, you cannot.
Okay. Let me know then.
I'm not going to allow you to speak until I'm done and
Okay.
he's done. Okay. Give
All
me a
right.
moment.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So this is a landlord-tenant case, right? I didn't over the computer. This is a landlord-tenant case. Is he renting?
Yes, well, essentially, just by way of a very brief history,
Yeah.
this gentleman is living in the property for a number of years. It's owned by
Right.
his aunt. She asked him to leave so she could sell the property. He declined to leave. The matter then came to court for the eviction process, and during that period of time, there was a mediation. And the mediation, he agreed to pay the 3 months and move out.
Right.
All right, so that's the whole history of it in a nutshell.
Okay, and where are you getting the 1950 and the 2700 from? Because there's other renters there that pay that amount?
Yes, what he did, he subdivided the residence, and he had one living out of the garage, and that person was paying the $650 a month, and he had another person in another section of the house, and that person was paying the $900.
And you're saying that should go to the plaintiff?
And we're asking that to be disgorged because the order specifically says he shall not rent the property.
Okay. Well, so you're coming up with that penalty yourself?
Yeah.
Yes, Your Honor.
You can't really do that, right? Unless the stipulation says that you should get the rent.
Well, it does say he shall not rent the property.
Yeah, I know. But
So the
there's
negative
nothing
of
more.
that is he did,
Yeah.
and so we're asking to disgorge the rent.
Okay, well, I'm not going to do that. Okay, so meanwhile, he owes in rent, how much? 800 you said, times how many months?
He paid February and March, and he owes April and May.
Okay, so it's 800 a month, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's 1,600 that I would give you, and are you seeking, is this account 2, or is this eviction? Is he out already, or what? You're out already? He's not even, he's out already.
I'm sorry.
I've been out,
He's
man.
out of the house already.
Yes,
Been out
he's
months.
moved out,
Okay.
yes.
So this is account 2 of the complaint?
Yes, this is just in compliance with the order that
Oh,
we're entitled
okay,
to
this is
receive.
in compliance with the stipulation.
Yes.
Okay, can I see the stipulation?
Your
You don't
Honor,
have it?
Your Honor, can I say something, please?
No, you can't.
Just-
Give me a moment.
You have a letter right in front of you that I want to reschedule and have this ready for myself.
Okay,
Also,
okay, hang on. Why didn't I rule of this? Hang on.
Man.
Well, I should have ruled on this before. When did you get this to me?
ma'am, I turned it in downstairs and I turned it in front of your clerk.
I know, but why didn't you just give it to
I
me
was trying to
before
say
the
that,
hearing?
but you jumped in.
Why didn't you give it to me before the hearing?
Your Honor,
The attorney may not have been able
I
to
gave it
come.
to your clerk, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
And I turned it in downstairs. It's timestamped downstairs. It's in the records.
I don't have
It says
whatever he's
September
referring
1st.
to.
Yeah, I turned it in this morning.
At 9:32.
It's timestamped at 8:30 as well.
Okay. whatever.
Your
You
Honor,
should have given it to me.
I don't even know what I'm here for. They gave me this paper and it doesn't even state for what it says.
Mr. Strauss.
So you're gonna ignore me now? Okay.
I'm trying to read your motion for continuance.
Your Honor,
First of all, I need to actually give a copy to the plaintiff, but hang on 1 second.
that was never presented to me.
Right.
Can you please hand this to Your Honor? Okay.
Okay, we can give this to the plaintiff. You can give that to me too. Great, if you could pass up that piece of, actually give it to the plaintiff. Something has to be given to the plaintiff. We have legal procedure here.
You misspelled this and you didn't. There's a whole bunch of
Then he
misspelled.
can read.
I can't.
He can read, Mr. Santana. Can you step
Okay,
away from
can
him,
you?
please?
Okay, where do you want me to stand? So explain to me where you want me to stand. You want me to stand right here?
Yes, where
Okay.
you should stand
All
at the
right.
podium.
I was-
Give the papers, whatever we need to do, to Mr. Strauss.
This is the wrong county. I was gonna go to Monroe County, and I was like, wait a second, why is there a Hialeah address and there's a Monroe County
Yeah,
file?
there was a typo in the.
And then here there's a bunch of misspelling in the Disability Act, right? Which I'm disabled myself.
Okay.
So I was like, well, I'm so confused because, and Your Honor signed it as well on the bottom. So I'm like, well, I've been in front of you before. I don't want to get a bench warrant. You know what I mean? So I'm here,
Right.
and I want to reschedule because it doesn't even say what I'm actually here for either.
Your Honor, he-
So I don't know what I'm here for, Your Honor.
Everybody stop. I don't have a bailiff today. Now stop it. Behavior is unacceptable. Now, is this a rule to show cause?
Yes, it is.
It's a rule to show cause because he didn't comply with the stipulation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now give me a minute. Let me get the computer up. Gerda, I need the rule to show cause. I need the stipulation, please.
Okay.
Let me see if I can pull it down myself. I can do it.
It's still easy to stick. I don't see
Okay.
a stipulation in here.
I'm sorry.
I don't see a stipulation in here. I see a voluntary dismissal.
Voluntary dismissal.
Right. Okay. I don't see, okay, hang on 1 second. See, Mr. Strauss, I do need a copy of that stipulation.
Your Honor,
We don't
I
see
have
it
it
so far.
electronically.
You do? Give me a minute. Is that, where are you getting it from? The clerk's office or your own office? Your office is on
It's
file?
signed and it's stamped in the clerk's office and it's February 23rd. It has a stamp for your name, Judge Schwartz, County Court.
All right, if you can show it to Mr. Santana, that would be great, because so far we can't locate it, but it might or may not be here.
Your Honor, I don't know what I'm here for. Again, I'm gonna repeat myself. I don't even know what I'm here for. I'm not even prepared for court because it says it on this document that I was served with that I'm not even here for.
And when you really don't know, because right now we haven't done anything that you can't know because we didn't do anything.
Exactly. I'm like with my hands up saying, what am I here for? Now I know I'm here for this. I can get prepared for this. I'm not even ready for court.
Mr. Santa, please stop talking.
Okay, I'm gonna stop talking.
Thank you so much.
May I approach?
Then you have to show it to the defense.
I see a cell phone. That's all I see.
Okay, well, look at the cell phone.
I see a cell phone. That's all I see.
You don't want to look at the cell phone?
Ma'am, I see a cell phone and I see wordings really small that I cannot read on a piece of paper. I'm looking at the cell phone that there's wording in it. I can't read it,
It's
Your Honor.
opened up, Your Honor. He
Okay,
can
I'll
read it.
take
I can't-
it, please.
Man, this is ridiculous. So unprofessional.
Give me a minute, I'm just trying to find the stipulation in my computer. Okay, well, we don't see it in the computer, but let me, can I?
So it's not in the
get it on
computer.
your phone?
Alright, it's not in the computer.
disposition. Is it a disposition? A voluntary dismissal.
Okay.
Voluntary dismissal. It's on the record.
No, I have the stipulation. Okay, so this is the story. I saw the stipulation on your phone, it's not on the computer, I believe it is the stipulation. Mr. Strauss, you're just saying that Mr. Santana owes $800. I know you said all that other stuff, but you said for 2 months, $800 apiece, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, Mr. Santana, do you have proof? I'm not saying that we're gonna have the hearing today, but you're gonna need proof that you paid those amounts when you come back.
Yes, ma'am. I have cashier's checks that I've given her, so I'm gonna have to go to the bank and pull them
Okay.
out, and then I have a money order receipt that I have to find. Unfortunately, I moved, so everything is all packed up, and I need
Okay.
proper time to look for everything, to document myself properly, to come in front of Your Honor, right?
Okay.
To not sound like a fool standing up here with 2 pieces of paper.
Okay, so, are people still living in that?
No, ma'am. I moved out of that house a while ago.
All right, that's good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna reset this hearing in 30 days.
Thank you.
And Mr. Strauss, can I have your phone number, please?
Yes, 305,
Yep.
285,
Hold on 1 second. Yeah,
4100.
okay, and Mr. Santana, your phone number, please?
Mine is 305
Uh-huh,
975
uh-huh.
8142.
Okay, do me a favor, Mr. Strauss,
Yes,
just
sir.
please write that we're gonna reset the case in 30 days, and the defendant at that time should have all evidence that he needs to present. The hearing will not be continued at that time.
Should the order also incorporate, he would copy me on such things before the
A
court?
copy of what, I'm sorry?
If he does have such evidence, he should provide a copy to me.
Of what? Oh, yeah, absolutely. You have to provide a copy. to
All right,
Mr.
I don't
Strauss.
have his phone number or email or
No.
nothing. I have video of me giving her money. I have video of me giving her
Mr.
emails.
Santana, you're
So,
gonna get that information from Mr. Strauss.
All right.
Actually, I'm sure
Okay.
you filed a notice of appearance. Did you, Mr. Strauss?
Yes.
And it's all on the notice of appearance, but you can get a card from him. And.
Your Honor, all I received was this. That's all I received.
That's gonna be a receipt.
2
Your
papers.
Honor, let the record reflect me giving him a card as my address.
Thank you very much. Wow, awesome.
Okay, so now we have everything we need, and just write up that order, that has to be
Yes.
provided to you, and we'll move on in 30 days. My JA, my secretary, will call you in 30 days.
Let's see if we can get this resolved already. I want to move on with my life.
Yes.
I defended this woman's house for several years. Have a good day. Officer, your badge number.
All right,
All right,
bye-bye.
there you guys. Thank you very much.
All right,
Have a good night.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Wait, there's orders coming. There's an order coming, so
Oh.
you can sit down.
Thank you.
Okay, you get my down order, Mr.
So
Strauss?
wait, okay, wait for him to write the order?
Yeah, you got
All right,
it.
awesome. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you. Finally.
Is it generic here, Your Honor?
Yeah, underneath the podium, there's an order. Okay, so I just want to go on the record, because this is the case I already ruled on, that we're order left. She knows she's here.